as we're waiting for the coolant to hurry up and empty itself, new parts came in for the EG. Oh, I know. Round of applause, round of applause. Got some new hoses. My ones, I don't know how, but they snapped, and now there's a hole in one of the coolant hoses. So we're going to be changing that hopefully today. The only thing is, this is going to be a 2-day thing, is I've got to buy coolant, and the car doesn't have, I don't have coolant, and the car needs to cool down with coolant and stuff like that. But anyways, hoses have arrived, we'll install that, and tomorrow we'll bleed. So here we are, back, and I just took out the leaking hose. Honestly, I don't know where it was leaking from, but you can kind of see it as well. Like, you can see all that wear and tear. So yeah, I know it's an elusive hose. They're on sale, so I bought another one. Bro, they supplied me the wrong fucking hose. There you go, buddy.
We might need to start it with the hammer. No, because I'm being serious because we can't get the angle on it.
Okay, yeah. It's pretty chunky as well.
Yeah, and that way we can at least get it bent just a little bit, so that way we can catch it.
The helmet's behind you if you want to know it. It might be a bit bitter.
Yeah, we'll see. Is that boiling?
It's a hot too water, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, but like, is the water boiling or is it less than boiling?
Perfect for a reel right now. Rolling guards in my head.
Yeah, it's a little bit bitter.
Yeah.
Needs some sugar.
So.
Part 2 rolling pin.
Could be worse. I could be using a baseball bat.
Is the jet still on?
Yeah, it was something like...
maybe a screw or something.
Yeah, it sounds like it's fucking old.
You want us to roll your guards, bro?
Well, you can start advertising now $100 a guard.
A guard, bro, that's actually not bad.
You could advertise it like you do it with this and just do it with the hammer, bro. Well, I'm gonna start doing that shit, bro.
Day 2 of rolling out fenders. I went to an auto store, got myself some spray paint because I'm gonna spray underneath it. I don't really care how it looks, because no one's even gonna see it regardless, besides me knowing and now YouTube knowing. But I'm just gonna get under there, spray it so it just doesn't rust over time. So I'm gonna start off by taking the wheels off again, because I just left it off with two threads. Shout out to Ben for helping me last night. So we'll do that now, and yeah, so commence time lapse. Alright, I'm gonna keep laying some more paint coats down, probably do another 2 more, and I'll pick up the vlog then, so yeah. Alright, hours later, and we have finished the painting on the side of the fenders where we rolled the guards at. I did with 2 coats. It's really hot out here, so it did take a little bit longer just because obviously I was dying of heat. But at the same time, it's done. doesn't look like the best. In the future, I'm gonna spray all this black just to make it look just a little bit better. But yeah, car is still on jack stands though. Washed the wheels while I was at it. But yeah, the car's still on jack stands. Really hot, it's almost 40 degrees, so I really don't want to be in here much longer. Once we know what to go with this wrong coolant hose, we'll swap them over. It's a new day, and it's another problem with the EG Civic. I feel like I have the worst problems with this car. But anyways, if we want to track this car, we've got to make it reliable, and we've got to start with the smallest things. So anyways, hood pins for the carbon hood. Anyways, it looks disgusting without like the actual area that's meant to be clipping onto. Today we're gonna fix that, and just start, well, not today, but over the days that I finish work, I'm gonna, because to get to that area you gotta take off the headlights. I'm gonna take off the headlights now, and hopefully we'll make it kind of a start. Best things that the Civic ever came with was that mounting point in any hood. Don't need to take anything off that hood, so that's pretty cool. As you can see, this is where the hood pin goes. Put the pin here, but first we've got to start off by taking the headlights. Easy, I've done it before, so we'll do that now.
What's actually in the coolant? Did my oil mix with the coolant? No. Is exhaust gases mixing into the coolant? No. Did the coolant taste nice? No.
That's pretty good. Is it cool to you?
Hold on, let me try it and find out.
Bro, how much? Ooh. Do we need more?
Yeah, if anything, we'll top off with water.
Oh.
Alright, pop it through there.
I'm not retarded. Just special.
Yep, you keep telling yourself that. Alright. Oh, the ice cream truck.
Oh fuck!
Has it passed by yet?
Ah, he's gone. Turn it on?
Yeah.
Alright, we just bled the cooling system for the EG, so now we're gonna take it for a test drive. I'm gonna wash the car because it's a bit filthy for sitting there for like 2 weeks, so I'll quickly do that. And then yeah, and I don't know how this video turned into, was meant to be a 1 hour video turned into a 2-week video. I don't know, I don't understand, but that's what cars are fucking like. Anyways, let's go on the road. Sometimes I forget how good it is to drive a 9-inch shitbox. My god, sometimes, like, I'm pretty blessed to have this car, really. I generally do take it for granted, but at the same time, it's far from complete and it's far from track spec how I want it to be, which in the next upcoming mods we need to update the suspension because it's really fucking shit. But anyways, I'm gonna take it for a couple of drives up here, I'll record it, and yeah, let's see some tasty vtec now. Damn, this car still sounds so good. Alright, we'll do under the limit so we don't get pulled over by cops. So yeah, catch you guys soon. Just before we end the video, I just want to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I'm gonna keep grinding, keep pushing, but at the same time, it's kind of crazy how this video was meant to be a 1 hour job turned into a 2-week job, because I didn't know that this time we had to cut our hoses from the company I bought from. But that's alright, we did cut it at the end. Seems to be fitting fine. Took it for a test drive, seems to be fine. The hood pins actually are still on order. I'm still waiting from them because I bought better quality than not just some cheap shitty ass hood pins that obviously when I'm on the track I don't want my hood popping off. But at the same time, I did order some more mods in the future, and I'll just drop it right now. I bought some gauges because I need to know the numbers and I need to know if my engine's not going to blow up as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Sorry that this video is very jumbling around, but I thought just to make it a little bit more raw and just show that working on your car isn't all perfect. Everything doesn't work. Sometimes things take longer than expected, as simple as one coolant hose. But it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys.